So I made a little Instagram story and I had a lot of people messaging me asking how I did it. So on this video, I'm going to show you how. Oh, and spoiler alert, it's actually really easy. All right, here we go.
Mr. Black.
Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way, but also do a couple little tips and tricks every now and then, so don't be a stranger. First things first, I'm actually using an app on the iPhone 13 Pro. However, it does work on something as old as the iPhone 10. So this is an app that uses augmented reality, or AR, and it maps out the room so you can draw things on it, and then keeps it in that specific spot. Or in the case of that Instagram story, I just held my finger down and walked around the room and it tracked where I was putting that line. And the cool part is it just stays on that spot of the room and you can walk around and add other little marks, and then you can actually walk around and see it at a completely different angle. It's just a little bit mind-blowing how it works. This is a free app called Lightspace, and this isn't sponsored. They didn't ask me to make any kind of video. This is actually an app that I downloaded on my phone 4 years ago, and still a lot of people don't know about it, hence all those messages I got. And do me a favor, drop a comment and let me know if you've seen this app before. Also, while you're down there, if you can click that little button right there, that'd be fantastic. And really, that's all there is to it. It's just an app that works really well and kind of fun to use, and yeah. Sorry that it wasn't a harder video to make. All right, that's it for today's video. I got a lot of really cool product reviews and some cool GoPro tips coming right up, so make sure you stay tuned. Also, if you want to check out my memberships, I'm doing some live streams coming up and some exclusive behind the scenes content, so you don't want to miss that. Also, if you want more tech talk, there's a lot of tech coming out and we're talking all about it. Check out the podcast. It's a weekly tech talk fix. There we go, and I will see you on the next one.